and welcome back to my channel. Today, sharing with you a great beginners friendly yoga flow that I love to do in the morning to start the day with best energy vibes and prepare the body and mind for a beautiful, amazing day. We're just gonna start in a comfortable seated position, either legs crossed, or you can also stay just like here on your knees, whatever you prefer. We can close our eyes, we can place the palms on top of the knees facing up, rooting down through the sit bones, inhaling, lengthening the spine, relaxing the shoulders, taking a few deep breaths in and out through the nose, letting go of all thoughts and setting an intention for today's practice or for the whole day. Just focus on your breathing. You can start doing little circles with the neck. You can keep your eyes closed or keep them open, whatever you prefer, whatever feels good for you. Change the direction. In yoga, there's no right or wrong. It's all about listening to yourself, listening to your body. We continue with some shoulder rotations. Inhaling, lifting the shoulders up. Exhaling, relaxing the shoulders. Slowly bringing the palms just next to the hips. Taking a deep inhale, lifting the arm up, exhaling, tilting towards the side. Slowly coming back to the center, changing the side. Inhaling, lifting up, exhaling, tilting towards the side. Every inhale we lengthen, every exhale we go a little deeper into the stretch. We come back to the center. This time we take a deep inhale. We bring both arms together, interlacing the index finger. Inhaling, lifting up, exhaling, tilting on the side. Coming back to the center, inhaling, lifting up, exhaling, tilting towards the other side. Bringing the palms down and moving to all fours. With the knees just underneath the hips, our wrists, elbows, and shoulders in line, a neutral spine. Taking a deep inhale, lengthening the spine. Exhaling, bringing the belly button inside, the cat and cow poses. Inhaling, lengthening. Exhaling, bringing the belly button inside. Two more. Inhale, lengthen. Exhale, bringing the belly button inside. Last one. Inhale, lengthen the spine. Exhale, bringing the belly button inside. We're going to bring the toes together, knees apart, and just stretch in child's pose. Relax our forehead on the mat and take a few deep breaths in here. Letting go of all thoughts, focusing only on our breathing and our practice. Slowly, we can bring the arms towards one side, stretching more one side of the body, and slowly changing the side. We take a deep inhale and we lift up in our first downward facing dog. Looking towards the front, we start walking our feet towards the front. And from here, we just start bringing our weight forward on our toes and back on our heels. 4 times. 2, 3, one more, 4, and slowly rolling the spine. Lifting all the way up, bringing the palms up. Sun salutation ready. Moving the mat just a little bit here. Taking a deep inhale, lifting the arms up. Exhaling, folding forward from the hips. Inhaling, lifting up halfway, exhaling, pressing the palms down, stepping with the right leg back into a plank, weight forward, moving through our vinyasa, beginner's version if you want, knees down, chest down, elbows inside. Inhaling, lifting up halfway, cobra upward facing dog, exhale, up into a downward facing dog, taking a deep inhale, lifting the right leg up, bringing the knee towards the chest, stepping it forward. Inhale, into a high lunge. Exhale, pivot the back leg, so the arch of the back leg is in line with the heel of the front leg. Warrior two, bringing the arm down into a reverse warrior. Coming back to warrior two, pivoting the legs forward, going all the way down with the arms, really stretching the back of the legs. Slowly rolling the spine back, pivoting the other leg. So we're going to a warrior two on the opposite side. Taking a few deep breaths in here and slowly reversing it into a reverse warrior. Really stretching here the side of the body. Coming back to warrior two, bringing the feet parallel again, slowly lowering down the whole body, stretching all the way. If you want, you can stretch even more. You can even place your forearms down, you can place your head down, crown of the head. Slowly bringing the feet together, rolling all the way up, rolling the spine back, coming back to the front of the mat, inhaling, lifting the arms up, exhaling, folding forward from the hips, inhaling, lifting up halfway, straightening the spine, exhale, press the palms down, step back into a plank, moving through our vinyasa. Chaturanga, upward facing dog or cobra, and this time we're stretching in child's pose. We come back to all fours. From here, we bring the arm and opposite leg together 4 times. Inhaling, 2, exhaling, knee and elbow together. 3, last one, 4, and we change the side. Inhaling, we stretch, exhale, knee and elbow together. 2, 3, last one, and 4. We stretch back into child's pose, taking a few deep breaths in here. And then slowly we lift back up in a downward dog. We make little steps on the spot. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We take a deep inhale, bringing the leg up, bending it, bringing the knee towards the chest into a pigeon pose. And here we can place the forearms down. We can place the forehead on the back of our hands, or we can stretch the arms all the way. Whatever feels comfortable. Slowly lifting up, rolling the spine, rolling the shoulders back, going back up into a downward facing dog. Taking a deep inhale, lifting the other leg up, bringing the knee towards the chest, placing it on the mat into a pigeon pose. Relaxing the forearms on the mat, either bringing the forehead on top of our palms or stretching the arms all the way. Whatever you prefer, whatever your body tells you to do today. Slowly lifting up halfway, bringing both legs apart together, inhaling, lifting up, exhaling, stretching forward, slowly coming back to the center, bringing the legs together, one palm on one side, the same thing that we did at the beginning. Just that this time is more of a dynamic type of movement. 4 times. 3, last one, 4, and we roll the shoulders back. We bring the palms in front of the heart center, creating more good energy, and we bring it towards our heart center in a sign of gratitude for today, for our health, for our body, for everything we have in our lives. Always remembering that the more grateful we are for everything that we have, the more things to be grateful for, experiences, people we are attracting into our lives. Namaste. Wishing you a beautiful day with best vibes. Thank you for joining me and see you soon.